Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Thank you for coming and watching this video. So let's jump to the topic. So today I will teach you some little concept about that how to print in Python. We will print these three lines in Python. Let's see how we write a code to print these lines. So come to your text editor, whatever you are using. I'm here using VSS Code. So we use print command. This is print parenthesis hello multiverse. Okay. Now second print hello universe, and the next one is hello. Where is hello? This is world. Okay. So let's see whether this program is printing our desired output or not. Yes, this is printing. So for your here is my video is over, but for your little bit concept clear who doesn't know, if we print with single code, what will happen? Sorry, single hello fan. Okay, let's see, is it printing or not? Yes, is it printing? So what about three codes? Okay, one, two, three. Hello, science knowledge. One, two, three. Let's see, is it printing right now or not? Yes, is it printing? So please write your comments and tell your experience and share your knowledge with us. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.